Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to speak about a powerful truth. Discipline creates destiny. Every successful person we admire, whether an athlete, scientist, entrepreneur, teacher, or leader, has one thing in common. It is not luck. It is not talent alone. It is discipline. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and achievement. It is the silent force that transforms ordinary people into extraordinary individuals. Many people have big dreams. Some want to become doctors, engineers, artists, athletes, or successful business owners. But dreaming is not enough. A dream without discipline remains only a wish. Destiny is not created overnight. It is built day by day through small actions, good habits, and consistent effort. Discipline means doing what is necessary even when we do not feel like doing it. It means waking up early to study while others are sleeping. It means practicing again and again until we improve. It means controlling distractions and staying focused on our goals. Discipline teaches us responsibility, patience, and self-control. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Mobile phones, social media, entertainment, and negative influences often pull us away from our purpose. Many people waste hours every day without realizing how valuable time truly is. But disciplined people understand that every minute matters. They know that success is not about doing great things once in a while. It is about doing small things correctly every single day. Let us take the example of a farmer. A farmer does not plant seeds today and expect crops tomorrow. He waters the plants daily, protects them from harm, and patiently waits for the harvest. In the same way, discipline is the daily care we give to our goals. The harvest we receive is our destiny. Discipline also helps us during difficult times. Life is not always easy. There will be failures, disappointments, and moments when giving up feels easier than continuing. But disciplined people keep moving forward. They understand that temporary pain leads to permanent growth. Winners are not people who never fail. They are people who never quit. Students especially must understand the value of discipline. A disciplined student attends classes regularly, completes assignments on time, respects teachers, and manages time wisely. Such habits not only bring good marks, but also build strong character. And character is the foundation of a successful life. History is full of examples of disciplined individuals who changed the world. Great leaders, inventors, and achievers did not become successful in a single day. They followed routines, stayed committed to their goals, and worked hard even when nobody was watching. Their discipline shaped their destiny. Remember this. Talent may give you an opportunity, but discipline helps you keep it. Intelligence may help you start, but discipline helps you finish. Motivation may inspire you for a day, but discipline keeps you going for a lifetime. So, how can we become disciplined? Start with small habits. Wake up on time. Set daily goals. Avoid wasting time. Respect your commitments. Learn from mistakes. Stay focused on what truly matters. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect. It is choosing what you want most over what you want now. My dear friends, your future is being created by the choices you make today. Every action, every habit, and every decision is shaping your destiny. If you want a bright future, build a disciplined life. Success does not come to the strongest or the smartest alone. It comes to those who are consistent, determined, and disciplined. Let us promise ourselves today that we will not wait for success to come to us. We will create it through discipline, hard work, and dedication. Because in the end, discipline truly creates destiny. Thank you.